So Apple's foldable iPhone is still mostly under wraps, but recent leaks are already letting us stack it up against Samsung's next big foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And right now, it looks like Samsung may already be ahead in a few major ways. Most insiders believe Apple will finally enter the foldable market in 2026. That's pretty crazy when you think about the fact that Samsung released its first foldable back in 2019. That's a 7-year head start, and based on the leaks we're seeing, that experience could really show. According to a well-known Chinese leaker, Digital Chat Station, Apple's foldable iPhone is expected to feature a 5.25-inch cover display and a 7.58-inch foldable inner screen. The outer display may include a punch-hole selfie camera, while the inner screen is rumored to use an under-display camera. This is where Samsung could clearly pull ahead. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 already offers a much larger 6.5-inch outer screen and an 8-inch internal display. If Samsung keeps similar dimensions for the Fold 8, it will still provide noticeably bigger screens than Apple's first foldable, even if the aspect ratios are different. When it comes to cameras, Samsung also seems to have the advantage. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes with a triple camera system on the back, including a 200-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens with autofocus, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens that supports 3x optical zoom. Apple's foldable iPhone, on the other hand, is rumored to stick with a dual camera setup. Current leaks suggest a 48-megapixel main camera with OIS paired with an ultra-wide lens. So far, there's no sign of a dedicated telephoto camera. Selfie cameras are especially important on foldables, and this could be another win for Samsung. Under-display cameras usually don't deliver the same quality as traditional punch-hole cameras. Samsung uses two 10-megapixel front cameras on the Fold 7, one on the cover display and one inside. If the Fold 8 follows the same approach, it could outperform Apple's under-display solution in everyday use. So while Apple's foldable iPhone will definitely make headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could still offer some clear advantages, especially with larger displays and more flexible camera options. Now let me know what you think. Is Apple entering the foldable space too late, or do you think they'll surprise everyone? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. Samsung recently unveiled the Galaxy Z TriFold, and it's already being talked about as one of the most impressive pieces of smartphone engineering we've seen in years. But as exciting as that device is, attention is quickly shifting to what's coming next, the Galaxy Z Fold 8. A trusted leaker, at crow_row, suggests that Samsung isn't just doing small, routine upgrades this time. The Fold 8 is rumored to receive some meaningful changes, starting with a redesigned internal layout. Samsung is reportedly rearranging components to free up extra space inside the phone. And whenever space is freed up internally, the first thing people think about is battery size. The Galaxy Z TriFold managed to hit a massive 5,600 mAh thanks to its triple-cell battery design. The Fold 8 probably won't reach that level, but leaks suggest Samsung could still increase the battery by around 300 mAh, which would be a solid improvement for a foldable. Charging speeds are expected to stay at 45 watts, but there's a good chance the Fold 8 will finally support Qi 2 wireless charging, which would be a welcome upgrade for Samsung's future lineup. Samsung is also expected to keep refining the overall design. The Fold 7 currently holds the title for being the thinnest and lightest foldable smartphone, and it sounds like the Fold 8 will continue pushing those limits even further. On top of all that, Samsung is reportedly working on another Fold model with a completely different form factor. This version could open into an almost square 18:18 aspect ratio and feature a very small, credit card-sized outer display. It's a bold idea and definitely something different. So what's your take? Are these rumored upgrades enough to get you excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 8? Let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.